In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. Before we begin, a quick heads up. With end-to-end encryption, only your devices hold the keys to read your messages. That's great for privacy, but it also means recovery is only possible if you still have a device that's logged into Messenger with those keys, or if you previously set up secure storage with a recovery method like a PIN or a cloud-based unlock. Start by opening Messenger and confirming you're signed in to the correct account. If you're setting up a new phone or you recently reinstalled the app, Messenger may automatically prompt you to restore your encrypted chat history. Keep any other device where you were already using encrypted chats turned on and connected. When the prompt appears, approve the request on that previously authorized device so the keys can be transferred securely, and keep both devices awake and online until the process completes. If you don't see a prompt, go to your profile or settings. Then look for Privacy and Safety, End-to-End Encrypted Chats, or Secure Storage. In there, choose the option to restore or recover your encrypted chat history. If you created a recovery PIN earlier, enter it exactly as you set it up. If you chose a device-based recovery method, you may be asked to authenticate with your phone's screen lock or your platform's cloud service to unlock the key and start the restore. Give it time. Large histories can take a while, and switching networks mid-restore can interrupt the process. If you no longer have any authorized device and you never set up a recovery method, those encrypted messages can't be recovered. That's not an error. It's how end-to-end encryption protects your privacy. As a workaround, you can ask the other participant in the conversation to forward important details, since they still have their copy. Also, double-check that the chat isn't simply archived or filtered. Use search, review message requests, and look under archived to rule out a misplaced thread. Once you've restored what you can, take a moment to protect yourself going forward. In Settings, open the Encrypted Chat or Secure Storage section and set up a recovery method you'll remember. A strong PIN or a device-based unlock makes moving to a new phone seamless without exposing your messages. Keep the app up to date, maintain a stable internet connection during restores, and avoid force closing the app until it finishes. That's it. Follow these steps to recover what's possible, and set up recovery today so your encrypted chats stay both private and portable.